getting an Argentina credit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get an Argentina credit card. So here we have two options. So the first option is you just have to, go to Google and search for Argentina bank accounts. And as you guys can see, if I search for Argentina and I'm going to search for bank accounts, and as you guys can see, there are different Argentina bank companies which will provide you, bank accounts. You just have to open up a bank account, do some spending. If you live in Argentina, and after, sometimes you will be eligible for credit card without any problem, which you can get. However, if you don't live in, Argentina, so you can, go for some of the bank accounts which work globally. Suppose there is, so if I search for American Express, and then I'm going to search for global credit card, and as you guys can see, there are some credit card by, American Express, other companies, which allows you to, spend around the globe without any problem. You can get those credit card without any problem, and you can use them on Argentina as well. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.